Bismillah ar-Rahman Rahim, October 23, 52, variant question number 7. Topic is a permutation combination. So, first question, find different number of the arrangement. You know, when arrangement word comes, most probably it is a permutation question. So, let's see what happens. 9 letters of word Andromeda, in which no consonants is next to each other. And okay, and he mentioned even D, M, and R consonants, and A, E, O are not consonants, called vowels. Okay, so first of all, how many repeating letters are there? So 2 letters A. And how many D repeatings also there? And 2 Ds are there. And others are 5. Then it becomes 9. You can say 9 here. Okay, this is one story. Second story, if you look at carefully, how many vowels are there? Because it said that. So consonants are how many? So consonants are, if you look at carefully, let's count, as he mentioned, N, D, R, M, D. That's it. And vowels, how many are naturally A? Okay, then we have a O, then we have a E, and then we have a E. Though 2 Ds are repeating and 2 A's are repeating anyway. What is saying here? No consonants are next to each other. So common sense, if you go for it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 lines will make 9 boxes. I think more are consonants. I'll start with consonants. So consonant, vowel, consonant, vowel, consonant, vowel, consonant, vowel, and consonant. So we have this is the way to do it. And look at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 5 consonant there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 vowels are there. That's it. So how to answer? All 5 are available for the first place. It's called 5P1. If anyone gone, so 4 are available for this place. I can say here 4P1. Let's say 2 gone, so 3 available for this place. So it's called a 3P1, 2P1, and 1P1. And for your knowledge, whenever 1 comes, 1, 1, 1, so same numbers come. So 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. And basically, this is actually what is a 5 factorial or 5P5. Same thing, because 5 factorial means 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. That's you know very well. And what about the upper, this V? So we can say the same story here. So this is all 4 available for this place, but I will use one only, 4P1. Okay, let's say 1 gone, so 3 left will come here. So 3P1, I can say here 3P1, 2P1, and 1P1. So this becomes 4, and here becomes 3, then 2, and then 1. Basically, this is what? 4 factorial. So 5 factorial and 4 factorial multiply, because in the same row. So the answer we have it 4 factorial into 5 factorial. But do you know, students, these 2 are repeating, so that is why they are also is inside. So we can say here divide by 2P2 into divide by 2P2. This come from for 2 Ds and 2 A's because they are shuffling inside anyway. So answer is, if you check it carefully and type in calculator, is becoming 720. So I hope so first part is very clear. So in future, whenever you see this kind of thing, so simple, no need to work out, simple say 5 factorial and 4 factorial multiply. That's it. And I think you got a point. Part number B. So part number B, we have find number of the different arrangement. Again, the word arrangement. So 9 letters of word Andromeda, in which there is A at each end, A as a each end. Okay, let me decide. A and each end. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A and on each end. So A blocked here, A blocked here. And he said D are not together. These are not together. So what is the planning? First of all, I want to know that what is answer if A's are together. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 P7 or 7 factorial, same meaning. Because we blocked A, no more repetition of A will come. Only two D's will repeat. That is why I'm writing here 2P2. Or I can write 7 factorial by 2 factorial. And this is coming, okay, whatever. Okay, we can check in calculator. So 7 factorial by just 2, when we got it, 2520, 2520, 2520. But students, one thing is very clear. He talk about situation that if A comes on each end, but D's are not together. And I did not discuss about the D's. It means these are options when D's are together and when D's are not together. I repeat my words. So 2520 is those answers in HA come at or both corners. But what about D's? D can be together or D cannot be together. So now what is my planning? Now I want to find out then D is together. Okay. So A is at corners. Okay. Corners and D together. And D is together. So what is this kind of thing? How we can do it? So let's see. So nothing hard, inshallah, I believe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So A on a both corner fix, and these are together. We can write anyway in the middle. 1, 2. This I count as a 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6p6, which is 720. So I believe this part is very, very clear. Okay, so it means these are options when they are A at corners and D together or D not together. But these are purely those answers when A come on corners, but D are together. So from this, if I subtract this, I will get it when D's are not together. So A's at corners and D's are not together. So how to get this, students? No, so simple. So from 72520, if I subtract 720, and I get an 1800. So I believe the point is very clear and we got the answer. Okay, now let's talk, students, talk about the next point. Okay, so next part is what we have here, students. Concentrate on next part. 4 letters are selected. Okay, and randomly from 9 letters, the word Andromeda. Done. So find the probability. Whenever probability comes a word selection, so we have to be careful. Okay, contain at least 1D. At least 1D means 1D, or it could be 2Ds. But exactly 1A. So exactly 1A. Only 1A. Only one. Not 2As. So we have 2 situations. Okay, 2 or 3. Let's see how we can make it. But before I start, I will take this idea here and copy and go down and paste here, because we cannot work without this. So again, first of all, we have few conditions. First condition, if what he said, repeat again. He said at least 1D. At least 1D means 1 or 2Ds. And okay, let's one plan. 1D, 1A, and 2 empty spaces. Okay, 2Ds and 1A and 1 empty space. And last option, 1D and wait a minute. Let me check once again. At least 1D means 1D or 2Ds. Yeah, then we have 2 options only, no more option available. How to get this D, students? So we can say out of 2Ds, I need 1, 2C1. How about this A? Out of 2 A's, I need 1, so 2C1. And what about these 2 letters? I need from 5 from others. I can say 5C2. And if we check it carefully, students, so this answer is coming. This is 2, this 2 to the 4, and this is 10. 10 4 is a 40. So this is a 40. And what about this? 2D's are there. I can say for this together, 2C2. And this 1 come from here, so I can say 2C1. And this one letter will come from here. I can say 5C1. For your knowledge, 5C1 is a 5, 2C1 is 2, this is a 1. So 5 2s are 10, so we got a 10. We got a 10 from here. So there are total options, we have 40. Total options, we got a 40. But without any restriction, without any restriction, without restriction. So what are the total options? Total options we have, total options. So we can say 9C4. Why 9C4? Because total are 9, and I have to select 4 letters. So 9C4 is a total options. I think I will not calculate it, or I can do it later. So probability is answer is a 50 divided by 9C4. And when, let me check in calculator. So 50 divided by 9C4. It's turned to be 25/63. And I hope so the concept is completely clear. And this question is completely over.